The 2027 Tesla Model 1 represents the culmination of Elon Musk's long-standing secret master plan, the creation of an affordable, mass-market electric vehicle that sacrifices neither performance nor soul. Positioned as the most compact and accessible entry in the Tesla lineup, the Model 1 is designed to dominate the global subcompact and hatchback markets, offering a gateway into the Tesla ecosystem for a new generation of drivers. The Model 1 breaks away from the traditional economy car silhouette. Utilizing a highly aerodynamic one-box design language, it maximizes interior volume while maintaining a drag coefficient that rivals its larger siblings. The exterior features a shortened wheelbase compared to the Model 3, yet it retains an aggressive stance with 18-inch aerodynamic wheels pushed to the absolute corners of the chassis. The front fascia adopts the streamlined, grille-less look of the Highland Model 3, integrated with slim, matrix LED headlights that provide a futuristic gaze. Efficiency is the cornerstone of the Model 1. Built upon a next-generation unboxed manufacturing platform, the vehicle utilizes a high-density 4,680 structural battery pack. While the battery capacity is smaller than that of the Model S, the Model 1's lightweight construction allows for a staggering range of approximately 250 to 300 miles on a single charge. The powertrain is simplified but potent. The base rear-wheel drive configuration delivers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 6 seconds, ensuring it feels nimble in urban environments. Advanced heat pump technology and a highly integrated drive unit mean the Model 1 remains efficient even in harsh climates, making it a viable primary vehicle for city dwellers and commuters alike. True to Tesla's DNA, every Model 1 comes equipped with the Hardware 5 (HW5) suite, optimized for full self-driving (FSD). While FSD remains a software subscription or add-on, the inclusion of the necessary sensors and compute power makes the Model 1 robotaxi ready. This allows owners the potential to put their vehicle into a shared autonomous fleet, effectively turning an entry-level purchase into a revenue-generating asset. Inside, the Model 1 is a masterclass in minimalism. Tesla has replaced the traditional dashboard with a single, ultra-responsive 13-inch horizontal touchscreen that controls every aspect of the driving experience. There are no physical stalks, gear selection and turn signals are handled through the screen and steering wheel haptic buttons, a move that significantly reduces assembly complexity and cost. With a target starting price under $25,000, the 2027 Tesla Model 1 is more than just a car, it is a catalyst for the final phase of the EV transition. By combining aspirational branding with accessible pricing, Tesla has created a vehicle that finally challenges the dominance of traditional internal combustion hatchbacks.